Hello everyone, my name is Hui and I am an engineer here at Pioneer Service. For this week, I will show you how to create a part from the start to finish using our brand new 3D printer. Also, I want to shout out to Clippard for helping us choosing the right 3D printer.
So let me show you how you can transform your model into a 3D printed part. First off, you would have to start with creating your own model, and I choose to use SolidWorks for this. Once your part is created, you can upload it to Preform as a 3MF file. Once your file is uploaded, you can choose how you want to orientate your model. Once that's done, the next step would be to choose your support. And I would recommend that you use the auto-generated feature for this. But once you get more comfortable with Preform, then you can create your own supports. On the bottom left side of the screen, you can see how much volume it would take, how many layers, as well as how long it would take to create this 3D printed part. And as you can see from here, it will take approximately 1 hour and 29 minutes.
At Pioneer Service, we use the 3D printer in many different ways. One of the ways we use it is to create this ramp for the parts to go down the machine, 5S initiatives around the shop, we model parts before running full production, and custom fixtures for a parts washer or for quality.
As you can see, this little ramp will sit right here at the end of the machine, and it will provide gentle guiding path for our workpiece. This means no more parts bouncing around or getting thrown out in a frenzy. Just smooth, guided movement. Success! No more rogue workpieces, no more chaos in the workshop, just clean, smooth, and precision. And all thanks to our custom 3D printed ramp. See? Sometimes the smallest part makes the biggest impact. Alright folks, that's it for today. We have taken a little 3D printing magic and turned it into a life-changing part for our CNC machine.